So this is the last page now of our exam, okay? Part B over here is just appropriately shade or render the drawing, right? So I'm going to let you do that yourselves. That's just sketch, rendering and shading it and stuff like that. And I'm going to focus on this part over here. So the logo for a tennis club is shown on the right. Use the dimensions given, redraw the logo and the given center line to show all construction lines, tangents, and points of contact, okay? So the very first thing I'm going to start with this large circle over here, okay? So I'm going to start with this large circle. It's a radius 60. So I'm going to set 60 on my compass. I'm going to step back 60 here from the very start of the line. That center line, like that. And I'm going to draw in my radius 60 circle. Okay, so that's that portion drawn, right? Now what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to get my handle, right? So from here to the very back of the handle is 114 millimeters. So from this center line to the very back of the handle, it's 114. So that's 10, 14 there. So that's that center line there, okay? So I'm going to draw this across here now. And it gives me a radius 15 for that. So I'm setting 15 on the compass. I'm going to swing it in. Okay. I'm going to bring my handle in straight down. Handle straight down. From this line back here to the front or to the end of the handle is 74 mil. So from this line here to the front of the handle is 74 mil, which is there. No darkening this line, and I'm going to darken the handle now as well. Okay. Now, there's a bit of a curve up here. So there's another circle up here touching this bigger circle. So now, look, if I draw it up here, there's a radius 30 circle kind of in there like that, right? If we're to join from the center of this circle to the outside where they touch and into this circle, what's it going to be? It's going to be from here to here is going to be 30 millimeters. From the big circle into the center is 60. So it's going to be 60, so a radius 60 plus a radius 30 equals a radius of 90. So I'm going to get 90 on my compass. I'm putting my point in the center of this big circle. I'm going to swing an arc here. And I'm going to swing an arc over on the corresponding side here. If we go back up here now, right, this is a straight line handle. So it touches the handle here, this bit of a curve. So from this point here out to the center of the circle, what's it going to be? It's going to be 30 millimeters. It's going to be a radius. So what I'm going to do, on both sides of the handle, I'm going to step 30 millimeters. And I'm going to draw a straight line. What you're going to notice now is that straight line and that arc we have drawn, they meet. That is the center point for my circle. So I'm going to set 30 on my compass because that's the radius in the question it gives us. Okay, that's it drawn. I'm now going to get the ball down here, then we're going to worry about points of contact, okay? So it's just 45 degrees, so that's easy, 45 degrees set square. It's a radius 18, so where this line touches my outside circle, I'm going to measure 18 on my compass. I'm going to step back in 18 on this line to get the center of it. That's my circle found. That's one point of contact. So that's where that point of contact, where that circle and the big circle meet, point of contact. Okay. If you join the two centers of these circles, so join these two and join them back up here. Where they cross there, that's a point of contact. Point of contact there. And wherever the center of the circle is, in this point, if you go straight across to the handle, that's your point of contact with the handle, and that's your point of contact with the other side of the handle. So that's the question fully completed with all our points of contact found. Okay, that's that's the most recent chapter we had done to the exam. And we had no exam done of that chapter, so I was hoping more of you would get on better with that question. But that's it, fully finished there anyway with solutions.